People call me every day looking for business insurance. I wish they were calling me because they cared about the coverage and how good the insurance company is, but let's be honest. Most people who are calling us are looking for the lowest price. Lowest price is fine, however, it's not just the price. If you just got a contract with Citibank, Citibank has an insurance requirement. And you have to meet the insurance requirements for Citibank in order for you to get that contract. On top of that, Citibank cares about who the insurance company that you're using is. So it's important to consider other things besides the lowest price. People call me for insurance because they usually just opened a business. In order to be in business, they have to have a license. The government requires them to have the right type of insurance and the right coverage in order to get the license. Landlords require insurance in order for you to get access to the premises. That's why people are calling us about insurance. Now, what goes into the pricing of insurance? Insurance pricing is completely different than the pricing of an automobile. The pricing of an automobile has a market value, and it also has costs that are associated with it. So the market value is, if I put it in the bylines, how much somebody would pay me for the insurance. How much someone would pay me for the car right now. The cost of it is what was put into it in labor and in raw materials. So there's a fixed cost. But insurance can vary wildly because somebody's guessing whether you're going to have a claim or not. Now, the more they know about who you are, the more they know about if there's going to be a claim. If you're a really irresponsible guy who drinks on the job all the time, the likelihood of you falling off a scaffold is pretty damn high. However, if you're a very responsible person who has good credit and a great driving record, chances are pretty low. Now, it's the insurance underwriter's job with the application to try and figure out who you are. The insurance broker is hired by you in order to represent you to the insurance company. So the insurance broker's job is to try and make you look as good as possible and as honest as possible as he's doing this, so that you get the lowest rate for the insurance and you're properly covered, and that your insurance contract matches what the government or the person who's giving you a contract is requiring. I had a client one time who had a big skid of bricks, and he put the skid of bricks on the edge of a building. It was a very windy day. Some of his workers had a couple of beers at lunch. They didn't secure the skid of bricks properly. The wind came and knocked the skid of bricks over, and it went through 4 floors until it hit the basement. Now, that same person who didn't care about the coverage and just wanted the lowest prices was very happy because he happened to have a AAA rated insurance company which covered and handled the whole problem for him. So I know that we all looking for the lowest price, but in the long run, you have to be concerned about other things besides price.